In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Ironsing Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire Ironsing. Ironsing is an attunement based around the ability to harness and manipulate metal, commonly used by blacksmiths around the luminance. It applies metal rods to enemies, allowing for a variety of interactions depending on the chosen talents. So, Ironsing can be trained with a combination of ferrofluid and Ironsing mantras, and I'm gonna teach you how to obtain it. So, you will have to go over all of these steps. The attunement trainer can be found inside of a tower on the left side of the end of the bridge at Miner's Landing, on the path to Starfield Veld. The bridge always spawns two brain suckers. To unlock Ironsing, you must first have a pluripotent alloy and then talk to the blacksmith at Miner's Landing. He will say that a friend of his is looking for one of those pluripotent alloys. If you have obtained Ironsing before, obtaining one of these alloys and talking to the blacksmith is not required, so keep that in mind. Go to the trainer and he will tell you that he is looking for 6 ores. So the ores that you will need are going to be iron, gold, arisor, irefine, astraline, and umbrite. Once you give him these ores, he will give you an alloyed elixir. Drink the elixir and you will unlock Ironsing. Along with all other elements, you can use your mantra, becoming stronger with practice. So you will have upgrades at 10, 20, 30, and level 50. So, to keep it simple, all that you have to do is interact with the blacksmith at Miner's Landing. Give them a pluripotent alloy and he will redirect you to a friend of his. If you have obtained the pluripotent alloy and you take him to the trainer mentioned, he is going to ask you to get 6 ores, and when you get them, you will be able to acquire the elixir that grants you Ironsing. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Ironsing in Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.